I'm very excited to see that Startup Jamaica is happening. It's here. Is the demonstration of the fact that this is not just a visionary statement or dream, but it's a reality.
The Ministry of Science, Technology, Energy and Mining continues to work on creating an environment that facilitates the growth of tech entrepreneurs. Through local and international partnerships, it has managed to engage young persons on various platforms such as Kingstown, the Digital Jam series and animation workshops. And from the successes came the birth of a facility exclusively designed to turn their ideas into business reality.
Startup Jamaica is part of our project to ensure that we can take many talented young Jamaicans and expose them to mentorship, support, financing, so that they can move to the next level.
Applications were opened in July 2014 for the techies to apply for a space in the 5-day bootcamp. From 217 entries, 60 were selected and the first batch participated from September 8 through to 12. Representatives from Oasis 500 out of Jordan took them through the intense training sessions. Here, their products or apps and business models were tested and refined to see if they have the marketability to fit in and survive in the global marketplace. From this batch, 10 teams or companies with the most viable business solution apps will be selected to go on to the 100-day accelerator program.
Now, the 10 companies that are selected to be in the accelerator will be provided with equity investment. Oasis is going to invest the equivalent of $30,000 US, and they will, in exchange for that, they will take a stake in the companies. Part of it represents cash, and the other represents the support, the guidance, the mentorship that they provide in the accelerator.
The accelerator program will begin in October or November 2014. Startup Jamaica will facilitate both the bootcamp and the accelerator programs with rotation on a 6-month basis, turning out talented technology-savvy Jamaicans to take their place in the global marketplace.
It's a huge capital of talented, capable, creative young people who can be a force of transformation for the economy. And the digital world, the online virtual economy, the digital media could really be some of the means by which that talent and that raw talent can provide economic growth opportunities, foreign exchange opportunities, and jobs for Jamaica.
We caught up with 2 participants to hear of their expectations going into the bootcamp and their strategies to be among the top 10.
My expectations, it is to be able to see people or meet people who could help us with our weaknesses, help point us in the right direction. And it seems as if the guys at the Oasis 500 are definitely the right people. They are even introducing us downstairs to markets that we weren't even thinking about getting into initially.
The strategy we hope to employ to move ahead to make it to the top 10 is to get traction with our product, present it as an attractive value proposition to our customers, and be able to predict a reasonable return on investment for the investors that we have here from Oman.
The state-of-the-art office for Startup Jamaica is located on the 6th and 7th floor of Jamaica National's Duke Street branch in Kingston and is outfitted with furniture and telecommunication services by line. This partnership supports government's strategic priority of human capital development, building on skills that will lead to business opportunities and job creation.
Really an investment in the development of Jamaica.
We've outfitted this 7th floor of the Jamaica National Building to provide entrepreneurs and technology entrepreneurs in particular with the space that they need to innovate and ideate and come up with new service-based and technology-based solutions for all sorts of problems that hopefully we're going to be able to export throughout the world.
The National Commercial Bank also put up $5 million towards the institutional strengthening of the 10 selected business ideas from the Accelerator program.
We've seen many of our SMEs come in with great ideas, but not having the institutional framework to sustain that. And so we are investing in programs like Startup Jamaica that help them to not only, share those ideas, but take them to the next level.
Startup Jamaica will be further supported through a $20 million contract with the World Bank, which includes funding for the training of 15,000 young persons in digital and animation at institutions such as the Hartrust NTA, the University of the West Indies, and the University Technology of Jamaica.
We have seen where there's been a global demand for outsourcing of animation content, and the only issue preventing further growth of Jamaican companies is the availability of skilled personnel. So we're going to be ramping up our training in animation.
The $30 million will also fund a science, technology, and innovation program to be implemented by the Scientific Research Council. So from now until December, the first cohort of 10 tech businesses will experience the success of Startup Jamaica, followed by another 10 every 6 months. And this is just the start of greater development of new businesses from a sector of unlimited possibilities and prospects for Jamaica.
And I believe that Jamaicans are richly endowed to do very well, to continue to do very well. And as we are celebrating innovation, it is this era that we are looking to for tremendous performance as we continue to encourage our people to work towards growth and the creation of jobs.
One vision for Startup Jamaica is for it to be a tech entrepreneur incubator for the region, and so it will also accommodate persons from other Caribbean countries. For those who missed the chance at the first bootcamp, application will open again in January or February of next year. Get ready!